Hi guys. In this question, the relation between a and k is given as a minus a power minus 2 by a power 1 by 2 minus a power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus a power minus 2 by a power 1 by 2 plus a power minus 1 by 2 minus a power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by k cube. If value of a is 2013 square, then find the value of k. Generally, what are the questions many children are asking me, those I am explaining to you so that they will be useful to you. In order to solve this question, I am using some algebraic formulas. They are a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Another one, a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Another one, if a power m is equal to b power m, then we can write that as a is equal to b. Another we generally know a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. These are all the basic formulas I'm going to use in this to solve this question. In this first I'm considering the LHS part. That is equal to a minus 1 by a square, because a power minus 2 is equal to 1 by a power 2 by a power 1 by 2 can be written as root a minus 1 by root a minus 1 minus 1 by a square by root a plus 1 by root a minus a power 1 by 2 is root a. This is the LHS part I consider. Now I am taking the LCM. Root a minus 1 by root a plus 1 by root a. If we take that root a minus 1 by root a into root a plus 1 by root a, then we will get a plus b into a minus b form. Then root a whole square minus 1 by root a whole square. What is root a square? Nothing but a. So we will write that as a minus 1 by a. Now, a minus 1 by a square. Here in this denominator part, we have already root a minus 1 by root a. So we have to multiply with root a plus 1 by root a minus 1 minus 1 by a square. Multiply with this denominator part, root a minus 1 by root a. Here minus root a into a minus 1 by a. In order to solve this, first we have to multiply all these terms. It means in the first term it is a into a minus 1 by a square. So we have to multiply a and 1 by a square with root a plus 1 by root a. Like that, if we multiply, we will get a root a plus root a minus root a by a square minus this is root a by a square minus 1 by a square root a. And second term, root a minus 1 by root a minus 1 by a root a plus 1 by a square root a. Now the third term, minus a root a plus 1 by root a, and the denominator is a minus 1 by a. Now if we solve this, a root a plus root a, this a square we can consider as a into a. Then this root a goes here root a times. So minus 1 by a root a minus 1 by a square root a minus into plus minus root a minus into minus plus 1 by root a minus into minus plus 1 by a root a minus into plus minus 1 by a square root a minus a root a plus 1 by root a minus 1 by a. Now minus a root a plus a root a cancel, minus root a plus root a cancel, plus 1 by a root a minus 1 by a root a cancel. Now we are left with 4 terms, minus 1 by a square root a minus 1 by a square root a plus 1 by root a plus 1 by root a. So we will get 1 by root a plus 1 by root a, 2 root a. then 2 by root a in the same way minus 2 by a square root a by a minus 1 by a. Here I am taking 2 as common. Then 1 by root a minus 1 by a square root a by a minus 1 by a. Again I am taking LCM. In denominator I am taking a as LCM. In numerator a square root a I am taking LCM. 2 by a square root a. Root a is there, so a square minus 1. In the denominator, I am taking a as LCM. So a square minus 1. You can observe a square minus 1 term, the numerator and denominator. So we will cancel that. And in the denominator, a and a square times, it will goes in a times. So finally, we are left with the terms 2 into 2 into 1 by a root a. We are left with 2 into 1 by a root a times. This a we can write as 1 by a power n, a root a 1 a power 1 by 2. As we know, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. Therefore, we can write 2 into 1 by a power 1 plus 1 by 2 is 2 as LCM, 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, a power 3 by 2. The LHS part which we consider, we got this. So we can write 2 into 1 by a power 3 by 2 is equal to, given in the question as 2 by k cube. 2 and 2 cancel. If we cross multiply these terms, then we will get k cube is equal to a power 3 by 2. We can write this as k cube is equal to a power 1 by 2 whole cube. See, we told that if a power m is equal to b power n, then we can write a equals to b. Therefore, k is equals to a power 1 by 2. We know value of a is 2013 square whole power 1 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. Therefore, value of k is equal to 2 power 13. Hope you all understood the solution. Thank you.